Okay, now let us get into this evidence. Now, with this evidence, it will show you the time and season we're living in. It will also show you the deception that many of you fall for. Even though we try to warn you, we try to tell you, you say it's conspiracy theories. Now, right here, they are showing you the science. And best believe, when they come out and talk, it's really bad. Right? Now, we get our credible source telling us that scientists have discovered a new life form in human bodies. The question is, were we born with this new life form? Or was it put inside of us? Where did we get it from? Right? Now, let me get into the evidence from the Irish News. The date, February 6, 2024. Biological entities called obelisks have been hiding in large numbers inside the human mouth and gut. These microscopic entities, which were recently discovered by a team at Stanford University, are circular bits of genetic materials that contain one or two genes and self-organize into a rod-like shape. Although the study is still in preprint form, meaning that it has not been peer-reviewed, it has already been extensively written about, including in two heavyweight journals, Nature and Science. Please go check out these evidence for yourself and understand what is happening, right? Now, they're telling us that this new life form is self-organizing genetic material inside our bodies. What will happen when this material is switched on? What happened when this thing is switched on? How did it get inside our body? How did these pieces of genetic material get inside our bodies? Right? We try to warn you. We try to tell you. Now, let me tell you what's going to happen. When these bits of genetic material is switched on, it means it will be a time for us to have these Nephilims. Yeah. That's what's going to happen when they switch them on. Right? And somehow it's about to happen. That is why this news is coming out, right? The scientific information is coming out. When these genes are switched on, people are going to start giving birth to these Nephilim and these animal hybrids. That is what's going to happen. We try to warn you, right? We try to warn you. But nobody would listen. It's conspiracy theories. We're crazy. And see, they're telling you bold that there's a new life form inside your bodies. How did it get there? How did bits of genetic material get inside your bodies? Understand, the enemy is very clever. He crossed all his T's. He dot all of his I's. He knows what he's doing, right? He knows how to outsmart humanity because they have been studying us. They have been watching us. Right? And those of us who are clever enough to see the game, to see the plan, try to warn you. But because we don't wear suit and tie, we don't look the part, we don't sound the part, you never listen. Right? Now they're finding new life forms in people's body that was hiding. Everybody is acting brand new. Right? Go check this article out for yourself. Use critical thinking and understand what is about to happen. The days of Noah is upon us. Let us pray and say glory be to the Most High.